dealing with the Cash App error code 400. Then in this video, we will troubleshoot and get things back on track. So first things first, confirm you're using the latest version of the app. So if updates are accessible, proceed to install them to enhance your overall user experience and address any potential issues. Now, if you're still caught in the error web despite being up to date, then here's the drill. For iOS users, head to your phone settings, locate Cash App, and just offload the app and then give it a fresh reinstall. While if you're on Android, then dive into settings, find Cash App, and do a little cache cleanup, as sometimes that's all it takes to resolve the issue and get things back on track. Now, if the issue persists, no need to worry, just simply reach out to Cash App support for prompt assistance and resolution. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to effectively resolve error code 400 on Cash App. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.